Good evening guys and welcome back to the channel. I am down near Walking Street and we just had torrential rain. The whole place got flooded, but it's already drying up. It is flooded back up there, but it's not so bad down here. So I'm going to take a quick walk down here and see what is going on. See if there is anything happening, see what people are doing. It pretty much looks like just any kind of rainy day at the moment, but I don't know, not long ago it was absolutely flooded. Yeah, there's been flash flood warnings on my phone, but just now there was torrential rain like I haven't seen. But it's already eased up and this place is cleared. Back up there, there's still a big flood, but let's see what's going on. It's pretty much business as usual down here now. The big rain has stopped. I'm just going to take a quick look up and down. It's the first time I've vlogged down here at night. I wanted to film the flood, but it's already cleared up, and I'm a bit conscious about vlogging down here because people don't like to be filmed necessarily. Looks like all the action is up by the Phillies end. And there isn't a lot going on down the bottom, or less going on down here. Man, it was seriously flooded just now. I mean, that's the worst I've seen it since I've been in Angeles. But Walking Street is unaffected. I guess that's because it's, you know, quite well drained. I suppose stuff is just going to be running off and going down MacArthur Highway because we're quite well elevated up here. You can see that the actual Walking Street itself is paved so that a river would, you know, it all flows down and onto MacArthur Highway. So, but back up there, is it John's convenience store? I can't remember the name. On the corner there, I think it's that area there. Narcisco Street, the top of that street, It's just absolutely flooded. I mean, the worst I've ever seen it. Oh, there's a tattoo studio there. They're nice and dry. And that place. I've been thinking about getting a tattoo. But I'd like to give it a bit more thought as to what to get. Hollywood Music Bar. Well, they're pretty busy over there at Dragon's Bar. It looks alright in Walking Street with these lights on. Sorry guys. I'm yet to explore most of these bars. I don't know what they're like. That's going to be on a future video. I also want to give a shout out to the prices. Following up from our Lady Drinks video. So that'll be coming up as well. What the reasons might be for that. Can't fail. Boy, it is wet. I hope the camera is going to be alright. But it is nothing compared to about 20 minutes ago. Oh boy. I thought it was going to be news. Come back later. I'm alright, you? That's one of the, these are the Wolfpack bars which we gave a shout out to in an earlier video. I'm going to walk up the street to where it's flooded. See what is going on. Just a quick up and down on Walking Street. I'm going to just check out what's going on down in Santos Street. mean, it is raining now, but it's kind of like light rain. It's not going to be a flash flood, but it is already unpassable down there. So I think I might go and check that out if I can. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys. Thanks for joining as we checked out the flash flooding in Walking Street. I'll catch you in the next video.